Thank you for joining me for Tutorial 8. In this tutorial, I will show you how to import data from an Excel file into your Access tables. If you do not already have Access open, please click on the Start button and click on Microsoft Access, or if it's not listed immediately, click on All Programs, Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Access. Again, here you want to open the correct database. You saw that list there, or you can click here and open, and it'll give you where you can find your database. Now what we want to do is click at the top on External Data, and it's in an Excel spreadsheet, and it's just a few people that I added in there, and very simple data into a spreadsheet. Click Excel, and then here's where we want to find it. So it's going to be Browse, and I put it in this folder, and here it is going to be for Contacts. Now here you can make some choices. You can append a copy of the records to a particular table. So if you want to add, if I already had a contacts table here, I could add it to any one of those tables, but I don't, so I want to import it as a new table. So that's what I want to select, and I want to click OK. And what it's going to do is kind of give you of what it's going to look like. And then you're going to click Next. Now if your first row contains headers, then you want to click that, which mine did, and it automatically put them as headers. So I click Next, and just in case, you can specify each one what kind of text or what the data type it is, and if you want to name it the same, you can also change it if you want to, or do not import that particular field. I want to do each one of them. Now we want to either let Access add a primary key. I could choose my own key or none. And I'll just let Access add that primary key. Next, and I want to import it to table Contacts. That's what I want to call it. And I'm going to click Finish. And we can save these steps or not, either way. Now, if you look here, we've got three manufacturer tables, my products table, and the contacts. Double click on the contacts, and there's my list of contacts. It's just as easy to add your data in here. Just as easy to add them in there. Now if you want to delete a person, you make your arrow, turn to the little solid black arrow that points to the right, left click, hold it down. You can right click and delete that record. It says you're about to delete it, and once you delete it, you can't undo it. So no, I think I'll leave them in there. And you can repeat that for each one of the rows, however many people that you don't want in there. If you've got extra, that sort of thing, that's how you can delete that. Very easy to do it. And to add another, you just do it the same way I did. Now, let's go ahead and import another part of it. And what we're going to do is Browse. And we're actually going to take this data for this one, append a copy of the records to Contacts, and we're going to click OK. Oh, it's telling us we have to save our changes. So let's exit. Okay. Now we're going to start over and do that again. Browse, Data, append a copy to the Contacts. Click OK. Next. Yes, the first row has the columns. Next, import to that table. Yes. And then Finish. Let's see. something is not right. So let's look and see about the data. Oh, so there's some extra here. That's the problem. So let's just get rid of these 3 for right now. Let's see if that fixes it. So go through the whole process again. Append a copy. OK. Next, next, and finish. Close. Now let's look at it. And it added more people in there. So that's just as easy to do that. All right, you want to make sure that you save that. Exit out. And you're done. Thank you so much for going through all 8 tutorials with me. I greatly appreciate all of your support with it. Thank you so much.